Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can remove and clean this throttle body on Mercedes. To remove it, you need to unscrew 4 bolts from this part. After, disconnect these wires, this one and these things. Then, to clean it, we need a rag or brush and clean throttle body with using petrol and clean everything and everywhere. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.